everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dovie, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my new videos. Today is a kind of a different video. I am going to be changing my coffee bar into a hot cocoa / coffee bar. So I just wanted to make this area a bit more festive, and we love hot cocoa at this time of year, so why not? So if you want to see how I rearrange this area, then continue watching. I got these Ray Dunn coffee mugs from Good Homes. And this Happy Holiday sign I've actually had for about 4 years, and I believe I got that from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. These little stir sticks, I got these from Home Goods as well. My little tree back here is old. I've had that for many years. Let's see, that little tree I've had for quite a while. I just don't remember what store, but I'm pretty sure it would have been Michael's probably, because I didn't have a Hobby Lobby in my area at that time. So the stand I got from Target, which is a Hearth and Hand. This little container I got from Old Time Pottery, as well as this hot cocoa container. I got that from Old Time Pottery. The small little jars I got from Dollar Tree. This cup I got from Home Goods. These little stir spoons I got from Hobby Lobby. And they have all their Christmas stuff on sale right now for 40% off. This sugar container came in a 3-pack, and I got that from Michael's. This little tree, it came from Target. This little pod container I've had for a while. I'm not quite sure if that's really what it's for, but this is a Hearth and Home as well. These cups I got from Hobby Lobby. They're just some paper cups. This little Holly Jolly cup I got from Hobby Lobby. This little sign that says Homemade with Love, I got that from Hobby Lobby also. So this little tree right here I got from the Dollar Spot at Target last year, but I do believe they have them this year as well. So the hot cocoa and coffee bar sign, I painted this on the back side of my coffee bar sign. However, I will have a link down below in the description box where you can go and download that printable. I'll have 3 sizes available. I will have an 8x10, 11x14, and a 16x20. Okay, so this is my hot cocoa / coffee bar. I really love how it turned out. I might change a few things here and there, but overall I am quite happy with it. So if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below if you're planning on doing a hot cocoa bar this season, or if you've already done one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Toodaloo.